welcome back to Hilltop. So the weather is not as great as it was, but it's not putting a dampener on the proceedings because we've actually now started really properly doing the foundations, and I absolutely love it. It's nice to see forward movement, you know. So as you can see here, it should now be, we can now stand on it. So we've had our foundations come in this week. They kind of ran out of the concrete a little bit. This is sort of like the initial stage. There'll be a next stage next week where they're coming in with the rebar. They're doing all the framing, because what we're doing is we're taking the foundations up a little bit, because remember, this is a wood structure, and so the wood has to have part of the foundation to stand on. So there's going to be I think it's a 15 centimeter, 20 centimeter rise from the foundation, so the wood can land on that. And you know, this is the big part of the extension. You know, we have behind Valeria, she's just stood in front of it, we have the frame of the old house. We've got to do an extension, a renovation of that, and then we're coming out and adding this on to what's originally there. So I'm really happy. I always remember from watching Grand Designs, Kevin MacLeod always scoffing at people's timelines and budget, and I completely understand. We're running way behind, like a year behind, and as you can see, just the foundations have gone down. Now, good news is, because it's a wooden frame house, it should go up pretty quickly. We have the previous sort of frame that we're building from, so there's nothing really new coming in. It's extending what's already there. So they say that the new frame should be up in a couple of days, and then they'll work around it. So looking forward to that. But as I say, next week, can rebar, framing up. It's going to be about 40 or 50 cubic meters of concrete going in. Finish the foundation. We need to leave that for some time to let that to start curing, so it's ready, and then we should actually see Hilltop taking shape, and I can't wait. Yeah, good.
And for this week, the first part is done.